Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious lentil soup using an easy method. To begin, gather all your ingredients, ensuring you have 1 cup of lentils and 4 cups of broth ready. Thoroughly rinse your lentils under cold water. Next, chop 1 onion, 2 carrots, and 2 celery stalks into small, manageable pieces. This preparation ensures a smooth and efficient cooking process. Now let's get those wonderful flavors started. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large pot over medium heat. Once warm, add your chopped onion, carrots, and celery to the pot. Stir them occasionally, allowing them to sauté for about 5 to 7 minutes. You'll notice them softening and becoming slightly translucent, which is exactly what we want for a flavorful base. It's time to bring everything together for our hearty soup. Add the rinsed lentils, 4 cups of vegetable broth, and 1 standard can of diced tomatoes to the pot. Stir in 1 teaspoon of ground cumin and 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric for a warm, earthy flavor. Bring this mixture to a boil, then reduce the heat to a gentle simmer, covering the pot. Your delicious lentil soup is almost ready. Let it simmer for 20 to 25 minutes, or until the lentils are wonderfully tender. Taste the soup and season it generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper to your liking. For a bright finish, garnish each serving with some fresh parsley or a squeeze of fresh lemon juice. Enjoy your homemade, comforting meal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.